Okay, so we got a tester here, or tester. I'm a tester. I'm going to test this air inflator here, see how good it works. So, I think we charged this thing up before, I don't even remember. So here's a charger if you got to do into your cigarette lighter. Charge it up. So this is a vogma, whatever the hell I say that is. Yeah, one of these things. Whatever the hell this thing is. Yeah, one of these. Yeah, looks like that. There you go. Buy it from there. Precision testing. Let's go see if this thing works. Got a load of crap I'm hauling out of here. Truck's overloaded. Tires are underinflated. So we need to bump the tire pressure up. So let's see how this is going to work. So let's put it on like that. Close it up. Hit a few buttons until something happens. Yeah. Turns the light on. We don't need the light on. Don't need flashing lights either. Yeah, works great. It's not idiot proof because I'm an idiot. Borderline moron. So there we go. Says I got 29 pounds in this thing. There's 35. I think we're gonna go to 40 on this thing. At least 40, maybe more. Do you have a speed button? No. I'm gonna click it up a tenth of a pound at a time. It sucks. It takes forever to get up in the air. I don't know if you can see that or not. I can't see in the camera. Yep, 40.2, close enough. Now you make the thing go on. That shut it off. Told you it's not idiot proof. There it goes. 29.2. Doesn't go up very fast. It's more of a motorcycle size car here. See how inflated the tire looks right now with these. All that in there. A big load of fiberglass molds. So I'm gonna let that pump up for a few minutes. Just some kind of a beanbag looking seat thing, fiberglass molds. These are race bike fairing molds off my race bike. This is the original one I made it from. This old Bob George inline fairing. You can look that up way back in the day. Land speed racing. This is the one off my race bike here. I don't use the front car, I use the back half. That's the newer one up there. It's one of these that's made differently for me. There's another beanbag style chair over here. Big one. And there's another one down in here. Another version of that one. And there's a third one in there somewhere too. There's a bunch of these in there. We got a Goodyear race tire. Land speed racing tire for a small vehicle. It was on a motorcycle sidecar, I think they said. Or a small car. The import car runs the same thing. Anyway, these are the molds back in here. And there we got a bunch of other crap. KRTT fairing. Everybody knows what the hell that is. Old Harley race bike from the late 60s, late 60s basically. That's what all this junk in here is. I'm locked up. What are we up to? We're up to 33 pounds. That's going to take all day to pump up that tire. We'll see if it lives long enough before it breaks. Well, nothing fell out, we can't be overloaded. Yeah, this is all for a bunch of fiberglass stuff picked up. Some of this I think I'm going to leave down here. Road turd thing. Side covers. These are for FXR, Harley. The Harley stuff knows what this stuff is. There's the other side. Oyster battery cover of some type. And narrow fender. This is a Buell front bearing piece. These are Indian Battle of the touring bikes. That's some kind of horn cover for Indian road racer. Knock off about 50 pounds probably for that one. Another one of these. Two of those I got now. There's a Harley air cleaner with an air scoop on the front. I like that. I don't even know her. Yeah, this is made for an S&S. 3-bolt pad, I recognize that. So it gives me an air scoop. I think that's supposed to fit on the outside of the stock cover maybe, I don't know. Racing stuff. Another forestry air cleaner, I got a bunch of those. What are we going down here? 37. Not too bad on heat yet. Very slow as you can tell. What else we got? Here's a Harley air cleaner cover. Evolution. Big 20-inch forestry. 70s style looking one, early 80s. Harley FC1. Oh, vintage. Shock tested. Here's an S&S looking one. These are all samples. What he made. Stuff like that. There's another one that's not cut out. A sample. Oh, there you go. A bunch of this crap. What's this one? This one's different looking. Yeah, don't know what that is. Oh well, there you go. Bunch of fiberglass junk. How's a test going over here? Oh, we're almost there. If you want to stop at 40. Looks like my 45 pounds is going to. The car still looks flat. Looks enough to go to 45. It'll take a while. It's definitely slow. Sometime next week. There's 40. 10 minutes. 10 minutes to go 10 pounds. 1 minute per pound. That's not a very fast blow up. So that's on a 15-inch tire, probably like a 205. Probably a 75 series. So. For a small car, it's a big tire, but for anything else, you know, if you're on something like that, that'd be a big tire. But something like this, no, it's not a very big tire. These tires are a lot bigger. It'd be about 5 hours to pump them up. So overall, it's working all right. It's not real noisy. A little bit, but not bad. It's a little warm, but not super hot. Hose isn't that hot either. Normally hoses get really hot on these things. It's actually not very hot. It's probably about 110 degrees or so. Do you guess? A lot of times you touch these things that burn you, especially with hoses. It's not too bad. It's definitely hotter than maybe 120. Cars are almost dead there. Down to 1. think we're going to run out of gel before we're done. So it's definitely for motorcycles, not for cars. Almost out of battery life on that thing. So it'll get through one tire, and you gotta do two. So this is a... what is this thing? So there's what that thing is. So there you go. Made in China. Part number. Yeah, it's for that right there. It's really good for bicycles, basketballs. Yeah, it'd be great for that. For the car, no, not too good for cars. Good for motorcycles. But, I guess that was the instruction I was supposed to read. Ah, I missed them. Didn't quite make it. So I'd buy this for a motorcycle or a scooter or bicycle. Get a bigger one for a car. Maybe for a truck or forklift. We're almost up there though. It's gonna make it. Let's get that tire looks like. First to where we started. You see how flat that one looks down there. Versus this one. Hey, it's done. Still looks flat. Might be overloaded. 45 pounds. 1 bar left in the battery. So there you go. Make sure you put your valve stem covers back on. Keeps the crap out of there so it works. All right, there you go. I tested it. It's not too hot either. It's still good. It's not too hot. Yeah, good up. I'm happy with the heat buildup. Just really low output, but it's a small unit, so it is what it is. Car tire, 31 to 36, SUV. Yeah, you get more SUV. 150 pounds. I don't believe that. Sport balls, 7 pounds. There you go. All right, well there you go. I don't think there's enough here to do another tire, especially when you turn it on like that. So I got a bigger one for doing bigger tires. There's a bigger one in there. All right, well there you go. It worked. Overall, not too bad. Like I said, it's good for a bike, motorcycle, throw it in the saddlebag. So I think it's good for that. There you go.